Whiter teeth are possible with the V-Beauty Premium At-Home Teeth Whitening Kit. 5 powerful LED bulbs accelerate the teeth whitener gel to break up and dissolve stubborn stains caused by food, wine, smoking, and aging. The one-size-fits-all mouth tray snaps on and off the LED light easily for easy cleaning. The V-Beauty Kit features dentist-grade carbamide polymer gel whitener in pre-mixed mess-free syringes. The integrated 10-minute timer allows time to relax or do other tasks while teeth whiten effortlessly. So forget about expensive and painful trips to the dentist for teeth whitening. The remineralizing gel is to strengthen tooth enamel and deter tooth sensitivity. Whiten effortlessly from the comfort of your home with the V-Beauty Whitening Kit.
What should you expect from the #1 professional teeth whitening brand on the planet? That it's been studied and tested for safe, predictable results. That it's been trusted for decades by dentists around the world. That it's recognized and awarded by unbiased third-party evaluators. But what does it mean to us? At Opalescence Whitening, being the #1 professional teeth whitening brand means more than just whitening teeth. We think about the person behind the smile. We are people first and planet friendly. We use the latest scientific discoveries and technology to ensure the best results every time. Our innovative spirit means we think about every lifestyle and how teeth whitening can fit the need of each individual. Being #1 means having confidence here and here, so that you can have confidence here.
GL. Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to the unboxing of the Novashine Professional Teeth Whitening Kit. Follow along with us for each stage of the unboxing so you know exactly what to expect when you get your first kit in the mail. First thing you'll see when you open the box is an instruction sheet. This sheet has each stage of the whitening process laid out for you in both pictures and written instructions. At the top, our socials are listed so that you can tag us with your results. At the bottom, there are tips to help you speed up your results. When you flip over the sheet, you're greeted with, "Here's to a brighter you." An important part of our brightening kit is the brightness level chart. By using this chart, you can document what shade your teeth were before using Novashine, and then how much brighter they have become once you have finished all of your gel. This is a great way to see the lasting results our kit can provide for your teeth. First, you'll write down your shade number at the beginning of your teeth whitening journey. Then, you can open the mouthpiece box. Inside, you'll find the blue light mouthpiece and an adapter. As you can see, the mouthpiece is clear and white and also full of lights. The adapter allows you to plug your mouthpiece into the most convenient outlet, your phone, your laptop, or even just an outlet. This makes it easy to multitask while whitening. The kit also comes with a little bag to store all your pieces of your kit together if you'd rather not keep the whole box for storage. One of the most important parts to your kit is the gel tubes. Our teeth whitening gel is designed specifically to create maximum results and cause zero sensitivity. With 2 full tubes included in the kit, you can get about 10 to 15 sessions out of them. Don't worry about running out though. We have gel refills available for purchase online in multiple flavors.